Fact number 1. Ultimately, every living thing can trace its ancestry to a bacterium that lived billions of years ago. Fact number 2. Bears, seals, and dogs are closely related carnivores but are on different branch of the evolutionary tree than cats and hyenas. Fact number 3. Some snakes have hip bones which shows they once had 4 legs like lizards. Fact number 4. Inside some whales and dolphins are small bones that show they once had back legs and that their ancestors walked on land. These occasionally reappear as tiny rare flippers. Fact number 5. Birds evolved from dinosaurs and both are descended from reptiles. The closest living reptilian relation of a bird is the crocodile. Fact number 6. Evolution rarely follows a straight line from species to species. Instead, it is more like a tree with many branches. Some branches lead to new branches while others become dead ends. Fact number 7. Most people had brown eyes until about 10,000 years ago when a single genetic mutation from the Black Sea switched the eyes from brown to blue. Approximately 8% of the world's population now has blue eyes. Fact number 8. An elephant's trunk is an amazing example of evolutionary development. It is combined nose and upper lip that lengthened as the elephant's ancestors became taller and their tusks grew bigger. With its heavy head, it needed an easy way to reach the ground. Fact number 9. Physically, the human body seems to have changed very little in the last 50,000 years. However, improvements in diets, increased lifespan, and developments in biotechnology may start to speed up the evolutionary process. Fact number 10. All humans develop a tail in the womb that eventually dissolves. Fact number 11. The penises of human ancestors were covered in hard spines. The theorists believe these spines possibly helped a man's sperm overtake that of his competitors. As humans became more monogamous, the spines became obsolete. Fact number 12. Charles Darwin did not come up with the phrase survival of the fittest to summarize his theory. Rather, the philosopher Herbert Spencer coined the phrase. Fact number 14. Approximately 550 million years ago, humans had a common ancestor with a lancelet, a rod-like sea animal. Fact number 15. A pair of parents would have to have a quadrillion babies before they possibly might have a child with the same genes as any of their other children. This genetic variation between individuals is the key to how species have evolved. Fact number 16. According to Pew Research Center analysis, 6 in 10 Americans agree that humans and other animals have evolved over time. Fact number 17. Approximately 43% of Republicans and 67% of Democrats believe in evolution. Fact number 18. According to Pew Research, men are somewhat more inclined than women to say that humans and animals evolved over time. Younger adults are more likely than older generations to agree with evolution. Additionally, those with more years of formal education are more likely than those with less education to agree with evolution. Fact number 19. Humans share about 31% of their genes with yeast, a single living cell that replicates every 90 minutes. They share about 50% of their genes with a banana. Fact number 20. A descended larynx, which allows humans to speak, evolved roughly 350,000 years ago. Humans also possess a descended hyoid one, which allows humans to articulate words. In contrast, the larynx in a chimp, for example, sits higher in the throat than in a human. Fact number 21. A hobbit-like species of human lived about 18,000 years ago. About the size of 3-year-old, they lived with pygmy elephants and 10-foot long lizards. Fact number 22. The changes in a human pelvis that allow humans to walk upright also made bearing children unusually more dangerous than the rest of the animal kingdom. Additionally, the lumbar curve in the lower back, which helps humans maintain balance, is more vulnerable to pain and injury. Fact number 23. A square inch of human skin on average has as much or more hair producing follicles as other primates. The difference is that human hair is thinner, shorter, and lighter. Fact number 24. While other primates have opposable thumbs, humans are unique because they can bring their thumbs across the hand to their ring and little fingers. Humans can also flex the ring and little fingers towards the base of the thumb, which allows humans to have a powerful grip and dexterity to hold and use tools. Fact number 25. Charles Darwin did not come up with his theory of evolution while at the Galapagos Islands. His ideas came later after his return from the voyage. Fact number 26. The development of human clothes has influenced the evolution of other species. For example, unlike all other kinds of louse, the body louse clings to clothing, not to hair. Fact number 27. Evolutionary biologists hypothesize that species that cooperate rather than compete value sameness, which has led to right-hand dominance. Leftists constitute just 10% of the normal population, yet they make up 50% of elite athletes. Fact number 28. Researchers suggest that the discovery of fire influenced human evolution. Fire allowed humans to cook their food, which made food easier to chew and digest, which in turn contributed to the reduction of human tooth and gut size. Fact number 29. While most animals reproduce until they die, humans have evolved to survive long after the ability to reproduce. Scientists believe this has helped ensure the success of a woman's family. Fact number 30. The theory of evolution has three basic parts. The first one is, it is possible for an organism's DNA to change or mutate. Second, the change is harmful, beneficial, or neutral. Third one is, after a long period of time, the mutations cause new species to form. Fact number 31. Mutations fuel evolution by providing new genes in the gene pool of species. The many factors cause DNA mutation, including X-rays, cosmic rays, nuclear radiation, and random chemical reactions in a cell. Fact number 32. In 1861, the fossil of a primitive bird named Archaeopteryx, which is known as first bird, was found in Germany. It has impressions of the feathers and a long bony tail. Scientists believe this fossil links birds and reptiles and was the first solid evidence to support Darwin's theory of evolution. Fact number 33. In the 1870s, Ernst Haeckel, a German biologist and naturalist, developed the idea of evolution as progress, which assumes that all nature is moving toward a final goal, which is human beings. Fact number 34. The modern evolution theory recognizes that evolution does not always mean progress. If the environment changes, more advanced animals can die out while less advanced relatives survive. Hence, we need to control the global warming, otherwise we all will get vanished one day. Fact number 35. Darwin was not the first to propose a theory of evolution. His real achievement was that he was able to present a more coherent argument for evolution backed up by a mass of accurate information.